So in this very short video, I'll show you how to change the ear tips of your Beats Studio Buds or Studio Buds Plus. You see these silicone tips? Well, you can easily change them in case you find them too small, too big, or maybe they're worn out after a certain amount of time. So the thing is, in the box with them, you should have this small. So in the box, you should have this that was inside with your Beats Studio Buds on the other side. And you just have to open this small door and have access to 3 different pairs of, over here, extra small, small, and large ear tips. The one that came pre-installed are the medium one because they fit most people. But let's say you have small ears and you want to use these smaller tips, simply take it out, take your bud, and then you need to try to peel like this, you see? Put the silicone, the ear tip upside down, and then simply grab it with your thumb and your index and pull it out. This way you won't rip anything and you won't damage the earbud itself. So let's put this medium there, and when it's time to install a new one, you can actually do the contrary. Okay, so I'll put it upside down again like this, and with this part and the earbud here, I'll simply bring them together and do a rotation motion like this until they click in place. You can flick them a bit just to see if they're staying securely there, and if it's great, well, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.